So this is the intensity of their love, that they're able to totally conquer Krishna, Prem Vasyata, because their every word, their every thought, their every deed is totally absorbed in Krishna to the point that they lose themselves. One Gopi, Radhika, she even says that I have no concern. I've lost all conception of myself. I've lost all interest in my own. I have no self-interest. My happiness or my distress, it's irrelevant. I don't have any connection with it. Radharani offers one prayer where she says, if Krishna, if my Krishna Kanta, my beloved Lord, my Priyatam Sham, my Krishna, if he finds pleasure in making me unhappy, then I consider that unhappiness that I will endure or experience is the cause of my greatest happiness. This is an extraordinary extent of surrender and submission and dedication and immaculate divine love. Oh, Krishna is enjoying ignoring me or neglecting me or running with some other gopi or being with some other gopi or even making me so unhappy. Okay, let it be. What do I care? I've forgotten all about my own happiness. I've forgotten about my own peace of mind or concern. If he finds happiness and make me unhappy, then that unhappiness becomes the greatest happiness for me. There is no one in this world who could think or feel like this. We never forget number one. Us. Me. I, me, mine. But Radharani's I is Krishna, her me is Krishna, her mine is Krishna. I Krishna, I, me, mine. Krishna. Well, what about you? You're Radharani, you're Vrishabhanunandani, you're Vrindavaneshwari, you're the crest jewel of all the Sakhis. Yeah, I don't know. I forgot all that. I only know Krishna. A very extraordinary display of divine love in the gopis.